kitchen upgrade, or DIY disaster? Discover the truth behind the viral kitchen island. First up, we have the IRONCK rolling kitchen island table. This one is a total bestseller, and for good reason. It has a clean, no-frills design that fits seamlessly into just about any kitchen style. The layout is really well thought out, with plenty of storage space for cookware, utensils, and those little odds and ends you never know where to put. Plus, it comes at a super affordable price, making it a great option if you're on a budget but still want solid quality. Next, let's talk about the Shintenchi rolling kitchen island cart. One of its standout features is the drop-leaf breakfast bar, which you can easily expand anytime you need more surface space. Maybe you want a quick dining nook or an extra prep area. This island's got you covered. Its design is neat and simple, which gives it a sleek look. Even better, it comes in 3 different colors, so you can really customize it to your personal taste or match it with your existing decor. Finally, we've got the Homestyles mobile kitchen island cart. It's got a Nordic meets classic aesthetic that instantly brings a touch of luxury to your home. Think antique charm combined with modern practicality. Like the Shintenchi, it has a foldable top you can extend, which is perfect for creating extra serving space. The craftsmanship definitely feels high-end, and its classic lines will elevate the look of any kitchen. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.